with all the shops and the cards and the chaos in this town. Have we forgotten? We need some sorting out. Clear our minds, we will find what the story is all about.
結婚して夫婦となります。笑顔に満ち溢れた家庭を築いていくことを皆様の